Hello and welcome to Raylands. Today I have the pleasure of showing you around this beautiful Ford Transit Nugget. It's just arrived with us. This is Nugget Plus, so top of the range. Got loads of extras, I'm going to show you them all in the video. Registration is Bravo Alpha 72, Charlie Papa uniform. As I said, it's a Nugget Plus, finished in grey metallic. Currently all set up into what we refer to as day mode here at Raylands. The vehicle's just come into us. We've literally just picked it up from Ford. It's just had a service at Ford Dorchester for us, ready for the new owner. So it's all ready to go. Comes with 12-month AA basic breakdown AA cover as well, as we're proud to say we're an AA dealer promise dealer. So as I said, we're all set up into day mode, so the roof is up, the awning is out, table and chairs are all set up. So let's take a closer look. So we've got our beautiful Westphalia chairs, nice embroidery on them. We also have a table there as well with adjustable legs, so we can make that higher or lower according to our needs. These chairs stow away in the rear as well as the table, which I'll show you where they go later. Lovely gloss alloy wheels, completely unmarked, with Goodyear tyres. So let's have a look inside the van. We're all currently all set up. All our lights are on. There's a bit of a dull day here today. So there we go. Table and chairs is all set up in the front. Twin captain seats. Got a nice LED strip running along there. Nice ambient lighting. LED lights throughout. We also have there, which we can see there, that's the Westphalia official umbrella as well, and the umbrella holder. So let's just see what it's like sat here, looking across at our two passengers. Now, being the Ford Nugget, it's very rare. The only camper of this size on the market with twin sliding doors, both sides, and also it has 5 seat belts as well, 3x3 seat belts. Nice LED stripping down through there. So we just walk through in the Nugget as well, makes it very unique. We can walk through with the door shut as well. So we've got our onboard management system here as well. Not all of them have the touchscreen system like this one. So you can see our leisure battery is 100%. And we've got no fresh water as we've emptied it. As you can see here again, another very rare option. We've got heated water on board. So we've got heated water here in our sink. We also have heated water from our shower as well. So we can have a hot shower. I'll show you that when we get around to the rear a bit more. Stacks and stacks of storage. More storage than you'd actually need. We've got a 240 volt 3-pin socket there. USB as well. We just lift that there to reveal our twin hob gas stove. And we can look inside there. Inside our fridge, really deep fridge there. Put absolutely loads in there. That just shuts away like that. We can fold out here to a washing sink for us to wash our hands, so we can have that separate from our preparation for food. Again, hot and cold water. Again, just stows away, really easy to put away. And would you believe it, we also have a toilet on board as well. Something you only get on a Nugget Plus. As I said, it's got absolutely every extra you can think of. We can have privacy with that as well. We just pull this blind across here. Obviously up there is our sleeping area for up top. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to step out the rear of the van while we get it set up for sleeping. Just show you that from this angle as well. So you can see there, toilet, and this area here is actually in fact where we put our seats when they're folded away. This is our shower, so we just stick it up on the window there. As I said, hot and cold shower. And that is where your table goes. It just slides away inside the tailgate. So I'll shut the tailgate down a minute. Got a Nugget Plus decals there. This van also features, which you can see to the rear there, we've got a rear reversing camera, which I'll show you later in the video. Got rear parking sensors. Also, again, another rare option. We've got a factory fitted tow bar there with single electrics. Ideal if you wanted to pull a small trailer, or of course a lot of people use them for bike racks now as well. So to the side, hook up for when I'm on campsite. We also have our water there, which we fill up there, lockable, and that's where we fill our water for our heated and cold water. As I said, alloy wheels all the way around, completely unmarked, all with fantastic Goodyear tyres. Paintwork's absolutely superb, no scratches or dents whatsoever. There's still actually a really good reflection in that paint, even though it's very overcast here today. Still got a stunning view to show you here at Raylands. The crops have actually just been harvested, literally today. Fantastic view here across South Somerset. Just show you that passenger front wheel. Again, unmarked as I said. So also to the front we can take a closer look. We've got the bi-axion HID headlights as well. Front parking sensors. We also have front fog lights. So as I said, bi-axion HID. Really nice headlights to use during an evening. And obviously they're day running as well. They're really nice when they're lit up for day running. Just going to take you around the other side again. Just going to show you the roof. The roof is as new. There's no horrible rips, tears, marks, snags or whatsoever. Also got the Nugget Plus decals down this side as well. Well, we're just finishing setting up there. I'll just show you inside the front cabin there. Really nice place to sit. And we also have heated seats in the front as well. So, we're all set up. That was done extremely quickly. So as you can see, we've got a double downstairs. And we'll just jump through again. So we walk through. And we can see we've got a large double at the top, really big at the top here. Got loads of LED lighting as well, just turn that around so you can see better at the top. As I said, the roof itself is as new. We've still got the tags in here as well from when it was delivered. Hardly used or whatsoever. So let's step through back the other way. We'll just jump in the front. Just move that bed back so we can jump in the front. So here we go in the front. Show you what we have on board here. So as we said, we've got heated seats in the front. Just turn the infotainment system on there. So we've got a 6-speed manual gearbox, really nice and smooth. We've got air conditioning. So we can see here we've got navigation, it's just loading up now.